benefits of honey: restores dead cells on the skin, makes the skin soft and elegant, removes wrinkles on the skin, cleans all pigment spots, makes the skin shine like glass. Yogurt benefits: nourishes and moisturizes the skin, reduces wrinkles, and calms the skin. The mask is applied to the hands, face, neck, and décolleté. Use it every other day to maximize the effect of the mask. From which country are you watching us? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the videos, click like. The mask stays on the skin for 15 minutes. Hello, welcome to my channel. A mask that clears acne on the face and makes the face clear and shiny like glass. Put a spoonful of pure natural honey. You should be sure that you are not allergic to honey. The benefits of honey: soften the skin, rejuvenate it, and activate the mineral circulation in the skin. Add 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Benefits of raw milk: deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin, improves skin color, and helps to cure acne. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. The benefits of turmeric: dry up all acne on the skin, clear it, clear acne spots, make the skin shine like glass. Mix well. Apply the mask on clean and dry skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. Which country are you watching us from? The mask stays on for 20 minutes and you wash it off with cold water and apply moisturizing cream for the face. You need to laugh every other day for the acne on your face to dry completely. If you like the video, click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in our next new videos. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you another effective skin rejuvenating mask recipe. This anti-aging mask is suitable for all skin types. Take the inner skin of the banana peel. Banana peel deeply nourishes the skin, rejuvenates, tightens the skin, helps to reduce deep wrinkles. A teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch mixed with banana has a miraculous effect on the skin, removes wrinkles and tightens the skin. Now put a teaspoon of vitamin E liquid in the mask. If you don't have vitamin E, you can use almond oil. Vitamin E rejuvenates the skin, slows down the aging process, clears all wrinkles on the skin, makes the skin clear and elegant like glass. Apply the mask on clean skin. The mask is applied in the evening, left on the skin for 20 minutes and washed off with warm water. When applying the mask to the skin of the face, use a light massage. If the video is useful, click like and subscribe to my channel.